Hey Rick, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. We spoke a little bit on the phone a few hours ago, and I said I'd send this video over to you, letting you know the possibilities of more business that you guys are missing out on by not having a website. And I know that you said you were waiting on a friend of yours to get back to you about some information on that, but still just wanted to let you know about these things that you could do, or we could partner together, and I could take care of it for you. But first and foremost, um, like we said on the phone, you guys don't have a website right now, but just wanted to show you the what you're missing out on. Bathroom Remodel in Atlanta is bringing in 260 searchers per month, and I know that bathroom remodels can get pretty expensive. So the fact that they're bringing in 260 searches per month, if you could get 10 of those, then that'll put a lot more revenue in you and your company's pocket. So I did a search on your number one competitor, which is Change Your Bathroom. And in order to be optimized on Google, you need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. And so doing a word count on your number one competitor, they only have 410 words. So could be very easily beat on the content side by getting to that 1,500 mark once you get that web page up and running. So next, wanted to talk to you about the map pack. And so we see the map pack here. It is made up of NAPS, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And so what gets you ranked in the map pack is citations. And so I use a tool here called WhiteSpark, and it shows us your top competitors and how many citations that they have. So your number one competitor, Change Your Bathroom, they only have 16 citations. So you could easily beat them and be ranked number one in the map pack. And so the reason I like WhiteSpark is that you can click here on View Sources, and it'll list out all of the citations that each one of your competitors is using. And you could basically go in, put your NAP on that web page, your name, your address, and your phone number, and basically steal each one of those citations for yourself. And that'll bring you up to 100 to 200 more citations than your number one competitor. And then you'll be beating them by a landslide in Google's eyes. And so the last thing, but definitely not least, that I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks, aka link juice. And so simply put, it works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, kind of like who can have the most relevant sites pointing to them. So it works by having more relevant sites than your competitors. So you want to have sites that pertain to or are related to bathroom remodeling or construction or contracting, things like that, rather than having like a Pizza Hut or a Burger King, because you guys aren't flipping burgers or slinging pizzas for a living. So I like to use a tool here called Ahrefs, and on your number one competition, they have 105,000 backlinks. So a ton of link juice there, but still very beatable. And the reason I like Ahrefs the same as WhiteSpark is you can click right here and it'll list out all of their backlinks, and you can go in one by one and make all of those backlinks relevant for you and your site once you get that up and running. So Rick, if you like what you've heard, then please give me a call so we can discuss how we can partner together. I can get your website up and running for you and get you ranked number one in the map pack and in the organic listings. And my number here is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. My number is 678-661-5695. And Rick, I am actually, I see your business is here right on the east side of Atlanta, and I'm actually located over here on Flat Shoals and Candler Road. So very local to you. Just give me a call. Let me know if you want to meet somewhere and we can discuss possibilities of partnership. Again, my number is 678-661-5695, and I am looking forward to hearing from you, Rick. Have a good one. Thanks.